When considering productivity and time management software, there are several crucial factors you need to know before making a purchase. Teamwork is one option, but before you make a decision, let's break down what sets it apart from competitors and whether it's the right fit for you. First, Teamwork offers a comprehensive project management suite that integrates task management, time tracking, and team collaboration. It's an all in one tool designed for businesses that need to stay organized. Unlike some competitors that may focus only on one aspect of project management, Teamwork offers a full solution right out of the box, which can be beneficial if you're looking for a centralized platform. Next thing to consider is its user interface. Teamwork has a clean, intuitive layout, but if you're used to simpler tools like Trello or Asana, there might be a bit of a learning curve. The depth of features is a double-edged sword. More options mean more time to figure out, but once you're comfortable, you'll have a powerful tool at your disposal. The third thing is its pricing. Teamwork offers a tiered pricing model, which can be ideal if you have a small team or want to start small and scale as needed. But compared to competitors like Monday.com, the pricing can add up quickly as you scale up. So, if you're looking for a solution with a more flexible budget, be sure to compare Teamwork's cost against others like ClickUp or Trello. The fourth thing to keep in mind is Teamwork's team collaboration features. You can easily assign tasks, track time, and communicate with your team all in one place. But if you're focused on heavy communication, apps like Slack or Microsoft Teams might suit your needs better. Teamwork's built-in chat functionality is solid, but for more in-depth communication features, other tools may be stronger. Moving on to the fifth thing, integrations. Teamwork integrates well with a variety of apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox. However, when compared to a platform like Asana, which has a wider variety of third-party integrations, Teamwork may be a bit limited depending on your tech stack. If you're relying heavily on specific apps, it's important to check if they sync smoothly with Teamwork before committing. Next thing to think about is reporting and analytics. Teamwork offers great insight into project progress, but some users find its reporting features a little less advanced than other software like Monday.com or Wrike. If deep reporting is crucial for you, it might be worth looking at alternatives that provide more in-depth data analytics. The seventh thing to know is its mobile functionality. Teamwork's mobile app is useful for managing tasks and communicating on the go, but it may not be as feature-rich as its desktop version. If mobile use is a priority, make sure to test the mobile app beforehand to see if it fits your needs. Next up is the customizability of Teamwork. One of its strengths is the ability to customize workflows, task boards, and project templates. However, if you need extreme customization, tools like ClickUp might provide more flexibility in terms of creating tailored project management systems for your business. The ninth thing is task automation. Teamwork allows you to automate simple tasks, such as assigning tasks or sending notifications, but it's not as advanced as other tools like Asana or ClickUp, which offer more complex automation workflows. If your team relies on heavy automation, this may be a limitation. The 10th thing to consider is its customer support. Teamwork's customer support is generally solid, with options like live chat, help articles, and email support. However, some users report slower response times during peak hours. If you need faster support, you might want to weigh this against other tools offering 24/7 customer service. Moving on to the 11th thing, Teamwork's time tracking feature. This feature is useful for businesses that bill clients or need to track time spent on projects. It's easy to use, but again, some other tools like Harvest or Toggle are more specialized in time tracking and offer more advanced features. Finally, the 12th thing to know is scalability. Teamwork is built for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. However, if you're a smaller team, there are other options out there like ClickUp or Trello that might better suit your needs due to their simpler, more straightforward approach. In conclusion, Teamwork is a solid option for productivity and time management, offering a wide range of features that can help streamline your work process. However, if you're looking for something that better fits your specific needs, we recommend checking out our solution. You can try it for free and see if it's a better fit for your business.